What's up, everybody? It's your girl Abigail from Zappos.com, and this is your new best friend Emory from Dirty Laundry. These casual shoes have a synthetic upper that features a bold print with a textured finish. The upper even has a little shine to it as well. These shoes are slip-on construction and feature dual goring panels on each side that offers an easy on and off process. They have a classic rounded toe silhouette with a contrasting top line that lends to a modern appeal. They have a breathable textile lining to keep your feet nice and cool and a lightly padded footbed for that added internal comfort. And this is all on top of a synthetic outsole with grooves for traction. These shoes are super cute and they can be yours. Grab yourself a pair today.